Are you paying too much to host your image classifiers or your machine learning models on AWS? You can host them in the browser, all right? L5.js is one of many. I know there's TensorFlow, JS, and a few others. One of many ways that you can host machine learning models in the browser. Take the load off of your servers and put it in their browser. Now, it's not always possible. Depending on how fast you need things to be or how complex it is, you're not always going to be able to run in the browser. If it's a giant model that they have to spend 10 minutes downloading to do some inane, tiny little action on the website, then that's probably not going to work. But it'll save you boot up time if you're doing a cold boot, which is way cheaper than having an always on system. But it depends on your scale, what your needs are. Go ahead and read the written post. I've got like a little kind of decision matrix of sorts. It's not okay. It's not, make it sound fancy. It's just a couple paragraphs that gives you some ideas there, but think about it. With that said, this can do some pretty hefty image classification here. I'm actually very curious to see what we can do. Right now I'm just classifying a robin, but that's fairly impressive. Be aware of that. Now, how would you train it? That's something I really want to dive deeper into. And if you're interested in hearing more about that, I'd love to talk about it. But we did that for the DrawnBy.ai project a few years ago. So I've got some background with training stuff. And I've got some new projects coming up from clients that seem really exciting. I'm just trying to figure out cool ways to train data with. If you've got a project that you want me to do some classifying with and get to run on AWS, you know how to find me, schematical.com. With that said, question for you. Do you like hearing about ML ops stuff on this channel? Do you like hearing about AI topics? Do you want me to dive more into this stuff? What do you guys want to hear about? I'd love to dive more into these things, but it seems like everybody's talking about it. So should I stick to AWS stuff? You let me know. Shoot me an email, comment, whatever it is. With that said, I'm Matt with Schematical. Have a great day.